say that I do, but I don't. You could wrap a million candles into a torch and hope that it steers you home.
You could cut all the telephone wires and hope that nobody does get through. I might not have the power of telepathy, but I'm gonna be contacting you because I borrowed a book that I saw was planted deep inside your bag. It gave me an excuse to see you again, but I'm not a thief, I'll give it back. And don't you ever wonder who's living in that house.
It's too small for people, we all said, but there's people in the floor, but said the mouse.
And I showed you the things that I made.
Didn't think that they were too great, but I'm glad that you thought and didn't think what you taught, because everybody else's mind is great.
We kept up the act for 2 days before we needed glue.
Why didn't drink what you
We
drank?
didn't sing when I sang songs and loves for us to do.
Don't you ever wonder who's living in that house? It's too small for people, we all said, but there's people in the floor, but said
Well, I didn't say goodbye today. Oh, I did it the coward's way.
I tied it to the neck of the seafaring Deco was sailing on down your way.
But you poured petrol all over.
Ship you used to sail the sea. You didn't think that you'd be coming home again, so
You said,
don't you ever ponder on things we never said? Yes, I did, but when we were kids,
now it's too late.
'cause we're dead, 'cause we're dead, 'cause we're dead.
It's the now.
If you're having fun, it's not with me. No, no, no. You're having fun.
Hey, come on!